In this video, I'm going to show you how to order on Bolt Food at lowest delivery cost. So if you open up the Bolt Food app here, so once you're on the app here and then set up your location. So once you've set up your location here, and then this will show you all your nearby, restaurants and everything. But if you're looking for something with the lowest delivery cost, then you got to look for restaurants that offer lowest delivery fee or sometimes even zero delivery fees when you reach a certain amount of purchase. So to do that, once you're here, go to on your search bar here, on your top here, there's a search bar, and next to that you'll see a little filter icon there. So tap on the filter icon next to the search bar here on your right, and here you will get to this screen here. So in this screen, just choose sort by cheapest delivery. Okay, so this will show you the lowest delivery cost from there onwards. Okay, then hit on apply. Okay, and then also on top of that, you can also choose the delivery fee here. You want something that's less, you can also choose the less ones, or you want something that's free, you can tap the free icon as well. But for now, you can simply choose by the cheapest delivery here, hit on apply. Okay, when you hit on apply, this will now show you all the cheapest delivery. So for example here, as you can see, the first results, as you scroll down, you might get like, it might go from lowest to highest. So as you can see, the first option here, it says it's a zero delivery fee. So for example, this shop here, they offer like a zero delivery fee. Okay, so you can simply like make a purchase from here for a zero delivery fee. And as you go down here, if you scroll down, you will see like, you'll see the one with the lowest first, and then it will go slightly higher and up. So in this way, you'll be able to find the lowest delivery cost. They are mostly on top of it. Okay, on top of your search, and that's pretty basically how you can do it.